Hi, I'm Dr. Julia Harmon, and today we're going to be talking about how to put on topical medications such as flea and tick prevention on your pet. Today I have with me Stephanie and Indiana, who's going to be helping us out with this. So, most important thing when we're talking about flea and tick prevention is that we find a product that your veterinarian has approved. We're going to be using Frontline on Indiana today. When you're putting on flea and tick medication to your pet, most important thing for these products to work efficiently is to not have your pet have a bath or have gone swimming for 48 hours before and preferably after application, so the product can work effectively. How these products work is that they're applied directly to the skin, which we'll show you in a minute, but they do absorb in the skin and then go systemically. So if we have a nice clean pet, we don't have fresh oil on the skin that the product can use to spread evenly. So for Indiana, what we're going to use today, as I mentioned, is Frontline Plus, which is effective on both fleas and ticks. Frontline Plus comes in an applicator that is formulated by weight for your pet. So it's most important that we get a product that is formulated for the correct weight of your dog. So again, make sure that this product is approved by your veterinarian. The most complicated part of putting topical on your pet is getting it out of the applicator. So what we're going to do is actually cut open this product with a sharp scissor, making sure not to cut the product directly and get it out of the packaging. So we'll go ahead while Indiana's waiting patiently, cut the product out of the applicator without spilling any of the oil out. Good girl.
Good girl.
Once you get the product out of the applicator, you'll see that we have an oil in here. What you're going to do is bend the applicator tip back, and we'll use the applicator to directly pour it onto the pet's body. Where you're going to do the application is always universally in between the shoulder blades. And you're going to part the hair in between the shoulder blades in one spot until you see the skin. You're going to then keep the hair parted and pour the entire contents onto one spot. And that's all you need to do. And there we go. Your pet will look greasy for 1 to 2 days after application, so it's important that you don't rub or pet your pet in that area, and if you happen to touch your pet, just wash your hands afterwards. And we now have 30-day protection against fleas and ticks, and Indiana was a great patient today. Thanks so much, Indiana.